Hello everyone, it's Jen with you today from Jen DeBell Designs for Country Craft Creations. And today is a fun day. It is new design team package time. So I'm going to share what I am going to be working with next. I've just finished up several projects using that gorgeous Simple Stories, Simple Vintage Essentials. So if you haven't seen those yet, watch those. I got a lot of projects out of that design team package, 3 in total, and I still have a few scraps. So be sure to check those out and grab that paper if you don't have it. It's simply gorgeous. I love it. So in my design team package this time, I am going to be working with Echo Park's Stars and Stripes Forever. So some 4th of July action going on here. So pretty. I love red, white, and blue. And this will be a fun project. Not quite sure what I'm doing yet, but let's just go through these papers. So we have the sticker sheet here for starters. These are nice heavyweight stickers, very, very cute. And one of the things I will tell you that I love to do with stickers and may do is I will back these with a medium weight chipboard and then cut around them to make chipboard pieces out of them, just for a little dimension. So let's flip this to the other side and I will get rid of that sheet. So it looks like we have the 4x6 cut aparts on this side and then all of those gorgeous flags on this side. Here we have red, white, and blue stars. And oh, look at that stripe. I just love a good stripe. This one is called Shooting Stars. Here we have all the fun firecrackers and a blue with white stars. This is Skyrocket Show. Our 3x4s. Super cute. And on the back side, all those little fun starbursts. It is the 3x4 journaling cards. This one is really pretty with that light blue background and all the fireworks. Fireworks fly. And then you have red with kind of a, I don't know what you would call that pattern, but, ooh, a plaid. I do love another good one, plaid. And Independence plaid. And then we have this. These are our 4x4s. I always love the Echo Park 4x4s. I find so many fun things to do with them. So the 4x4 journaling cards. And then we have this lovely stars. Oh, I like this one. Spirited Stars. This is the first time I'm looking at it. I'm opening it with you. Life, Liberty, Happiness. And the page is called Life and Liberty. Here we have multi-journaling cards. And on the back is this little red X's on a white background. Ooh, pretty fun floral here. Flowers for the 4th, and on the back we have white stars on a red background. And then finally all these fun hats and a polka dot on the back. This one is called Honorable Hat. So that is the Echo Park Stars and Stripes Forever. And then this is the solids. So we have 12x12 solid sheets here. So there's red with a light blue. Blue and dark red. So there's a darker blue and then a darker red. And then white with navy for that pack. And then I have some red, ruby red, 92 pound, 8.5 by 11 mirror card. I do believe this is a new item. Yes, it's from Tonic Studios. And these are available in the store now. This is a new mirrored card that Tamara brought in. And then this fun paper rose has some amazing papers. And Tamara does have some of those in the store now. And this is a fun little kit. Dad's Shed card making kit. The kit includes tools, die, a Windows die, 8 A5 white card bases, 18 by 6 by 6 double-sided pattern papers, and an inspiration sheet. And it comes in this fun little plastic envelope. Super cute. So you get this inspiration sheet here, your A5s, these adorable little, you got the screwdriver, the saw, the wrench, and the hammer, and then these fun little windows. And then here, oh, this is the inspiration sheet. Gives you some ideas. And then, let's go through the papers really quick. This is Dad's shed. And I will link this below, as well as large, oh, look at these fun little sentiments. And then you have this one that looks like metal. There's some, ooh, these are some tiny fussy cuts. It's okay. I love fussy cutting. On the back, you have that. Super cute. Bunch of gears, brick. We have the tools and this fun graphic pattern. That graphic pattern with gray. And then it repeats. So, I don't need this portion, I don't believe. Just going to set that aside and put all of this back in the little bag. How fun is that? And then this gorgeous ribbon, and the name of it is not on the tip of my tongue right now, but I will definitely link it below for you. It's a nice navy, and then it has this kind of frayed edge. I absolutely love that, and it goes great with that Echo Park paper collection. So that's my design team package and what I will be working with next. So make sure to like and subscribe to my channel so that you're alerted when I start making projects with this. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye-bye.